Привет, друзья! Hello, friends! We've been talking about adjectives some time ago, and as you know now, they are used to describe nouns. Adverbs, which we're going to talk about today, are used to describe pretty much everything else. So, let's look at how they form. ы, и endings are changed to о, е endings. For example, good, well, хороший, хорошо, quick, quickly, быстрый, быстро, interesting, interestingly, интересный, интересно. Now let's talk about situations when we use adverbs more precisely. We can use them to describe first, a place, место, where, где. For example, who is here? The teacher is here. Кто здесь? Учитель здесь. Is he here? No, he's there. Он там? Нет, он там. Where is the table? Here. Где стол? Тут or здесь. The desk is on the right. Доска справа. Here is the list of the useful vocabulary to talk about a place. Here, тут, здесь, there, там, on the right, справа, on the left, слева, everywhere, везде, outside, снаружи, inside, внутри, above, вверху, below, внизу. Second, time, время, when, когда. Here are some examples. Дарья is working at home now. Дарья сейчас работает дома. Mary is always beautiful. Маша всегда красивая. A cat sometimes plays in the park. Кот иногда играет в парке. He is never late. Он никогда не опаздывает. Here are some other words that you can use when talking about time. Now, сейчас, often, часто, usually, обычно, rarely, редко, always, всегда, sometimes, иногда, never, никогда. Manner, образ действия. How, как. And the last, but definitely not least, is manner. Let's look at some examples. Mary works well. Маша работает хорошо. He reads quickly. Он читает быстро. He draws badly. Он рисует плохо. Some more adverbs from this category. Well, хорошо. Badly, плохо. Quickly, быстро. Slowly, медленно. Beautifully, красиво. Ugly, уродливо. Purely, чисто. Muddy, грязно. Hope you still enjoy our online Russian language course. If you want to have more practicing, you should check the description and work with our examples. Hope to see you next lesson.